Welcome to another Readz Spotlight, where we'll be looking at a feature called Forms. The introduction of the form builder in Readz is a solution to a problem where many of the more popular form builders out there are not very mobile friendly. Like all elements in Readz, the forms are meant to be desktop and mobile friendly. To start building a form, we will add what I'll call a stencil. These are pre-made form templates that can be customized to fit your page's design. There are two options of forms to start from: a newsletter form where we can add questions piece by piece, or a form with everything in it. As the name suggests, it's a form that comes with all choices built in, but of course we can pick and choose which to remove or which to reshuffle. For this demo, I'll choose the first one, the newsletter form. This type of form comes with an email capture field, a reset and submit form button already configured. The reset button is optional, but helps users start the form over in case they make a mistake. The submit button is essential, however. As typical with Readz, elements that we add to this page on one device are automatically added to the same page on the other devices. Part of the stencils is that the form style has already been optimized for the tablet and for the phone reading experience. Typical use case is that we might want to add more questions to this form. By increasing the height of the box and moving our buttons down, we'll make some more room for the new question field. Let's try this drop-down question field. Drag and drop into the form menu, and to keep things styled nicely, we'll close up any extra space. This drop-down should contain some options, so let's define those. The name of the label can stay how it is, but of course we can always change this later. Do we want to make this question field required? Do we want to have some placeholder text to appear in the drop-down? Placeholder text is a good way to offer guidance for readers. In here, we can add those questions, and we can always add more or remove questions with either the plus or trash can icon. And like always, changes to this form are automatically applied on all devices. As I mentioned, you can of course change the style of these forms. Simple changes include restyling of the background color, changing of the font type, and rearranging elements such as these submit and reset buttons. The text that appears here can also be changed for other languages. Let's give our form a test run. Looks good, I think, but there's something missing. A confirmation message would be good to add so our readers know that the form has been successfully submitted. This can be done by using actions. First, let's make the message using a text box. Using layers, I'll put it behind the form. Now, on the form, we'll give an action that when it is successfully submitted, meaning all required questions have been answered and the emails are properly formatted, an action can then occur. This action we can create is to have our form fade away, making our confirmation message visible. Of course, this is just one of many possibilities for how your form can look and how it behaves when a reader successfully submits it. Lastly, there's a new view within the Readz editor called the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can see all submissions through your form. Readz also has MailChimp integration so that submissions through your forms built on Readz can be seen on MailChimp. For more information, please look to our How to Use guide.